Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the fascinating concept of dopamine detoxing. Get ready to learn how to reset your brain's reward system, regain control over your habits and boost your productivity. Lesson 1. Understanding dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in motivation, pleasure and reward. It's released in response to various stimuli including food, social interaction, and novelty. Lesson 2. Recognizing overstimulation. Excessive exposure to activities that trigger dopamine release, such as our social media, video games, and junk food, can lead to desensitization and addictive behaviors. Lesson 3. The need for a detox. A dopamine detox involves taking a break from stimulating activities to reset your brain's reward system, reduce cravings, and restore balance to your life. Lesson 4. Setting clear intentions. Before starting a detox, define your goals and reasons for doing it. Whether it's to improve focus, increase productivity, and regain control over your habits, clarity is key. Lesson 5. Structuring your detox. Decide on the duration and intensity of your detox period. You can choose to do a full day detox, a weekend detox, or gradually reduce your exposure to stimulating activities over time. Lesson 6. Finding alternative activities. Replace stimulating activities with healthier alternatives such as exercise, meditation, reading, or spending time in nature. These activities can provide a natural dopamine boost without a negative side effects. Lesson 7. Practicing mindfulness. Stay present, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations during the detox process. Mindfulness can help you manage cravings, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. Lesson 8. Journaling your experience. Keep a journal to track your progress, reflect on your feelings, and identify patterns or triggers that may arise during the detox. Writing can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and growth. 9. Gradual reintroduction. After completing your detox, reintroduce its stimulating activities in moderation. Pay attention to how they affect your mood, energy levels, and behavior, and make adjustments as needed. 10. Maintaining balance. Create a healthy relationships with stimulating activities, balancing enjoyment with moderation and mindfulness. Remember that the dopamine detox is not about deprivation, but about reclaiming control over your life. Have it 10 valuable lessons on dopamine detoxing. By implementing these strategies, you can break free from addictive behaviors, enhance your well-being, and live a more intentional and fulfilling life. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification. Subscribe for more content on personal development and wellness. Next time, take care. Remember to detox your dopamine, pure and healthier you. Signing off, Maheshwari.